Hello, welcome to GCS. My name is Kendra Chapman. This is my 12th year teaching. A little bit of a background about myself. I have 4 kids. One is a GCS graduate. The other 3 are still here in school. My husband, he's a GCS alumnus. He graduated here a few years back. He's also the boys basketball coach. So as a family, we are very involved with many of the ministries here at GCS. And just are very thankful for all those different aspects that we can be involved in and be a part of. I was born in Massachusetts, so I grew up not a Michigan native, but I have lived here for almost as long as I lived in Massachusetts. At a very young age, God opened my eyes that I was a sinner and in need of a salvation. And I'm very thankful for the godly heritage that God blessed me with. In high school, God gave me some fabulous teachers, and God used those teachers just to give me a desire to be a teacher, and not only just a teacher, but more specifically a Christian teacher, and be able to work and minister to kids in a Christian environment. I'm looking forward this year to the opportunity of teaching PE, geometry, earth science, health, and Bible. Each class does provide a unique opportunity to study God's power and just His order through creation and the design that He has for each of those. I am looking forward to how God directs us in these studies and the design of His creation. I have emailed you your class standards, and I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday.